In creating robots that are useful for society and industry, our aim is not always to create a fully autonomous robot, but sometimes a robot that can assist a human in doing a better job of whatever their everyday job is. One example of this is the Centre's long history in the area of surgical and medical robotics. So we've been working in this area across a range of projects and with many industry partners for a number of years. And the idea here is not to replace a surgeon, but to create a robotic surgical assistant that can help the surgeon do a better job, or perhaps do a faster job, or even a more repeatable job, which then inevitably leads to better outcomes for the patient. As part of our many activities in the medical and surgical robotics space, we are part of the Australian Research Council's Industrial Transformation Training Centre for Joint Biomechanics, where we're working on creating surgical assistive robots that can assist surgeons to do a better job in surgery.